me show you guys what happened. I messed up. I'm not gonna hide it or anything, but pretty much my lights aren't turning on and my side marker lights aren't turning on, or my daytime running lights aren't turning on. Let me show you the reason they're not turning on. Here, let me turn off this annoying buzzing sound. The reason they're not turning on is because I was trying to connect these, and in the wiring harness I made, when I connected one of them, it just kind of like, the little pins got damaged, and I was still gonna run them just because I only had one of these left. And I was just gonna run it for my car. I thought it was gonna be fine, but turns out it wasn't fine. So yeah, they pretty much ground positive touched and it blew out my fuse. So right now I'm checking the fuses inside the hood and the ones under the steering column to hopefully find the correct fuse that got blown. And let me show you guys what fuse it's gonna be. So in case you guys ever have an issue where your daytime running lights aren't turning on, or your side markers, or your tail lights, you guys will know how to fix that. Let's get this little tool right here. We're gonna need it. Then I have my little foam pad right there. It comes in clutch. Here's the driver's side. Right under it, there's gonna be this cap right there. That's gonna be right here on the top. There's gonna be this cap right here. That's gonna be right here on the top. Right there. You see all these little fuses right there? I just removed the cap just so I can read it, since it shows you where it should be at. And you want to look for the one that says tail lights, which is going to be the fourth one down on the left side, and it's going to be a 10 amp right there. So let me check that one out. So the car comes with a few extra ones. It's always good to replace the extra one just in case something like this ever happens again. So I'm going to be getting some more, but I just want to show you guys comparing them. So right here on the left is the blown one, and right here on the right is the new one, the spare. So let me connect the new one so I can show you guys. Okay, so I connected the fuse, the new one. Now let's turn on the lights. And there we go. Look at that. On. Let's go check the side marker lights. Side marker lights are working. Good time running lights working. And side marker lights working. This is where I was doing it originally, and it just honestly was a human mistake. It was an error on my part, and good thing I was able to fix the issue. And I'm just gonna upload this video. It's a small short video. Just to show you guys how to fix something like this if it ever happens to you, if you're working on electrical stuff, because I know in the future, once these cars are more available, there's going to be a lot more aftermarket support, and you might make the same mistake I did, which was just touch the positive and negative. It's kind of weird that these cars, the light is connected to, these lights are connected to the tail lights as well. It's all one whole circuit. But there you go, guys. If you found the video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. It helps out the channel a lot. And until next time, good vibes.